Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy ALin, and we back today with another video, man. It feels really good to say that in this spot right here. I just do my shoe reviews on my bed. Last time I did a review, I think was back in March. I was knocked out with COVID for like 2 weeks, so if you guys didn't know that, now you know. And yeah, you know what I'm saying, now I'm back feeling better. Tested again, negative. Weather is nice outside, as you guys could see. I don't know why I say you guys can see. You guys can't really see, but it's nice outside, man. New York is finally starting to be springtime. It's like 65 degrees outside. Gotta film this video, and then I gotta go pick up some more UNC Jordan 1s because they're doing like the relaunch again. I'm really getting sick and tired of that shoe, but it is what it is. You gotta get that bread, you feel me? Don't mind the mess in the back. I've been selling shoes, so yeah, all the stacks, you know, it's usually even with my, you know, personal shoes on top, but I've been selling a lot of shoes, so yeah, it got like holes and stuff. But I'm gonna, you know, clean my room, reorganize. I got a bunch of sneakers over here and stuff like that, and reviews for you guys coming. So if you guys are new to the channel, just go down there, hit that subscribe button, leave a like on the video, and comment down below what else y'all want to see, man. But anyways, we are back today with a very special shoe review, man. Big shout outs to my man Angel. He was able to get his hands on a pair of these, do a raffle from Cinco, New York, down in Harlem. I went with him to go pick it up. And yeah, you guys should already know by the title of this video, it is the Bad Bunny Adidas collab. The sneaker is called Forum. The Forums. Little origin of that sneaker, I think it came out, the original came out in 1984, and now, you know, Beyonce did a collab on a pair through Ivy Park, and yeah, now Bad Bunny is starting to do collabs with Adidas with this sneaker as well. So I guess they're trying to bring this sneaker back. It got like a little buckle stuff. But just a little breakdown, you know, Bad Bunny, he's like one of the biggest artists in the world, like internationally, and even in the US, like he's really like big and popping, you know what I'm saying? Like he's like the, I guess you could say, like Latino Drake. Yeah, like Angel posted this sneaker on our sneaker page on Instagram, and mad like people hit us up like just wanting this sneaker. So that just shows you like how big of an influence Bad Bunny is, you know what I'm saying? Like how like loyal his, or how big his fan base is. It's really crazy. But let's hop into the sneaker review. As you guys can see, we have the box right here. You have the Adidas logo along with the Bad Bunny logo. It's just like a bunny with, I think, crosses for the eyes. Same thing on top. This is extremely heavy, I do have to say. The box is already ripping because of how heavy it is, because like I don't think it could really support the sneaker. I don't know if it's a sneaker that's so heavy with the packaging, man, but we're gonna get into it. The retail on this sneaker was actually $160. In New York we have tax, so you know we had to pay tax, so it came out to like $174. I think New York is one of the states with the highest tax rates, but yeah, retail on the sneaker is $160. It has the size tag right there. This is a size 10, so unfortunately I won't be able to bring it on for review. I should have Angel done it, but you know it wasn't really like our stilo, so you know what I'm saying. No on for review for this one, I apologize. And this right here reads Bad Bunny Form the First. It's a size 10, and the colorway is subcoal. I don't know what that means, but yeah, it is a slide open box. So let's get into the unboxing, or slide boxing. So as you guys could see right here, we're sliding the top off, put it over there. And first thing I noticed is the packaging, man. The packaging is really crazy. Like, I don't know what this is. Maybe like this clips onto the top of the sneaker like that, but it comes with 2 of these. Honestly, really don't know what this is. It's in that pink colorway, and this is the Easter colorway, so it's perfect. You know, Bad Bunny, Easter Bunny. You feel me? Pink, eggs, colorful. Yeah. I'm just blabbering. But yeah, it comes with 2 of these. Has like eyes on each one. It has bunny eyes, so let's set that to the side. Also, another thing, comes with 2 extra pairs of laces right here. I don't know why it's sticking together, but yeah, it was sticking together. As you guys can see, it has this is like a blue tealish color, and this one is like a green color. I'm colorblind, so y'all take a look, man. I don't really, you know, mess with the colors. I think they have 3M on them though. They definitely do have 3M on them, and the tips say Bad Bunny. If you guys could look right there, boom. And yeah, put the laces aside. Then the sneakers come in a dust bag right here. Nice dust bag, you know what I'm saying? Very premium quality. It has the Adidas and Bad Bunny logo again. So let's take our first look at the sneaker, man. Yo, this video is 6 minutes in, and we're finally getting our first look of the sneaker. Whew. So taking it out, we have the sneakers right here. God damn, this is a big shoe. Like, look how big this is. Look how big this is, son. Like, what? This is huge. This is a huge sneaker right here. Let's take out the other one. And there's a lot to break down of this sneaker right here. Damn, this is really a huge sneaker. Like, this thing is huge. Yeah, now I'm really lost. Like, where would this go? Maybe you add another tongue because it is dual tongue. But yeah, I'm gonna give you guys a quick little b-roll. You guys, you know, take a look at all the details and stuff of this shoe right here. And yeah, I'll come down and dissect the sneaker and break it down and give you guys the full review and resale prediction and everything, man. So yeah, let's cut to that. Alright, so coming back from the b-roll, hopefully you guys got a good look of the sneaker. So yeah, let's just jump into the breakdown of the whole shoe right here, man. So for the midsole, let's just start because it's the most simple thing. It's just in this pink colorway and it is rubber. Same with the outsole, it is rubber as well, with, you know, different indentations with the Adidas logo at the bottom of each like circle. And then jumping up to the upper, we have like a suede going on right here around the toe box. And then it follows on to the mid panel. Now the mid panel right here, the Adidas 3 stripes is in suede, is in that pink. There's a lighter pink, it's like a salmon. Really nice pink though, I do have to say. And then it does have a little bit of leather on the toe right here. And leather on the mid panel as well, in between the 3 stripes design. Now back here, this is like a foam or type of material around the ankle. I really don't know like what it is and why it's this like thick, but yeah, man, that's what it is. And then the back of the shoe right here, we have the light salmon, you could say, in the suede again. So yeah. Now as for the tongue, it's a double tongue. For some reason I figured it out. You know, they have the little clip right here, as you guys can see. So I guess this one you could put your laces through. This one you can't really put your laces through, so you know, it gives you that. Has the bunny eye on the tongue right there, and then under it, it has the Adidas logo on the second one. Now on the insole is in that pink again with the Bad Bunny and Adidas logo. And a cool feature that it has is this rope lace going around the sneaker. Well, not really going around, it stops like on the inside. So just around the back, it has this like rope lace with this adjustable like toggle back here. And yeah, man, that basically like breaks down the whole sneaker. The laces is 3M, and it does have another like booty construction on the inside. I guess this is like a pull tab. I don't know, man. I don't know. This is overall a very unique looking sneaker. I hope I covered every aspect of it because there's just so much to cover. Oh, how can I forget? The part that stands out the most, there's a buckle right here. That is like the iconic feature of the Forum sneaker. I never had a pair of Adidas forums in my life, so I don't know too much about this shoe, man, but I do have to say it's just very unique, man, very unique. Now, as for sizing, I honestly can't give you guys a personal opinion, but it looks huge, so I would say go true to size or down half a size. If you guys could try on a pair of regular Adidas forms, I would suggest trying that out in store. But just looking on how big the shoes are, it kind of reminds me of the Sakai. So I would go true to size or down half a size to be sure, man, to be sure. But then the toe box is also very narrow, so I would suggest going true to size on these. So yeah, just go true to size. And yeah, man, that covers like the breakdown of the whole shoe. Now, just quickly jumping into the resale predictions and resale going forward. Right now, this sneaker, before release, it was going for like 500 in the aftermarket. Now it's going for like 700-800. Like, the hype is really crazy on these. And personally, it's not my like cup of tea per se, but you know, like I said, Bad Bunny is like a huge iconic figure, so I could see why it's going up. I personally think that this shoe might touch $1,000 just because of like the hype around it. I need to check the market right now. It might be like $850 right now. But yeah, definitely the hype is there on this sneaker, and it is really like limited to say the least. So yeah, I could definitely see prices hitting like $1,000. Now, to wrap things up with my final opinion on this sneaker right here, man. Well, not really much to say. Like, I already said it. It's not my cup of tea, but I could see why people will go crazy over this. You know what I'm saying? It's a limited collaboration. Now, to wrap things up with my final opinion on this sneaker right here, my favorite part of the shoe is the salmon and different shades of pink, because I love pink. You know what I'm saying? My shirt is pink right now. I love pink. So yeah, that's probably like one of the probably my favorite feature on this sneaker, but not my style. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's very bulky, and it is like a what is that, a flat top sneaker. So Adidas like flat tops like I would rock would be like Superstars and like Stan Smiths. I do have a pair of Raf Simons Stan Smiths, but this one is kind of like bulky up top, and it's not really like my style. So unfortunately, I would pass on this pair right here for myself. But just like having this shoe is really insane. And yeah, man, big shout out to my man Angel again. Comment down below what you guys think of this sneaker right here, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the review. Yeah, if you got a pair, let me know. Are you keeping? Are you selling? Are you gonna buy a pair for like almost $1,000? Y'all let me know, man. And this is your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Hopefully I'll be back with a lot more reviews coming up this week. I have a bunch, man. I have a bunch coming. And yeah, it's your boy ALin. I'm checking out. Y'all make sure y'all stay safe and stay swaggy, man. We out.